morning, everyone. It's Kiki with Team Reese Travels, and I am here in the city of St. Louis, Missouri. Today, you guys, it's my first day of just being able to enjoy the city without having to work. And so I am here for breakfast. Before I get my day started, I like to have a good breakfast, y'all. Wait a minute, let me go back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate you clicking on this video. I am Kiki. My husband Ray and my son RJ are part of Team Reese Travels as well, but they're not here. I'm on a work trip, so I'm traveling alone this time. But if you're not new here, we're so glad you came back, and we welcome you back again. But I'm here at Egg. I'm gonna pick up some breakfast. The food looks really good. I looked online for a place that I could get some good breakfast before I get my day started. So I'm getting ready to have some breakfast. We're gonna go check out the Gateway Arch. I can't wait to show you what St. Louis is like. But first, let's get some food, y'all. Look at the menu. I think I want to try the French toast. Do you have like a smaller version of the French toast, or okay, you do have a half? Okay.
All the 3 pieces and 2 pieces.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I was looking at pictures online, and what I really want to try is this French toast in the half portion, and I want some eggs, and I want some kind of meat, maybe some carnitas. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like they have some drink specials as well. Lots of different juices. Peachy Palmer, that sounds good. With a Peachy Palmer, can you do that like a virgin version of that?
Yes,
non-alcoholic?
So the Peachy Palmer, basically it's peach whiskey.
Oh,
that's what you get
okay. That's where the peach comes. Okay.
But let me see if I have any peach puree.
Okay. If you can do a non-alcoholic, I would prefer a non-alcoholic. If not, I'll take it either way.
Yeah.
So I would like that, and then I want to get the half French toast, eggs, and I'll try the carnitas too.
So the carnitas?
Sorry, the carnitas. Yes. Yep. So I have a virgin Peachy Palmer. That's what it looks like. It looks really good. Let's see. So the Peachy Palmer is normally an alcoholic beverage with vodka. I had it without alcohol. But it's really good. I had to add a little bit of sweetener to it, but it's good. Guys, the food is here and it looks and smells amazing. I have this French toast with a fruit compote. It's strawberries and pineapples. It looks so good and smells good. And then I have some eggs, just some scrambled eggs, and some carnitas. I love carnitas if y'all didn't know. So I'm about to dig in. I'm gonna try these carnitas first because I have to, because I love carnitas. That's the carnitas. The carnitas with these eggs together. Oh my god. Delicious. French toast has like a fruit compote and this butter.
It's not butter, it's cream.
Cream? Oh, it's like mascarpone?
Cream mascarpone,
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's very
cream
good.
mascarpone.
Okay.
You like?
I didn't try it yet. I'm trying it right now. But the carnitas are great. This French toast, delicious. It's got this compote, fruit compote, and mascarpone cream on it. I could have had this by itself. It's so good. French toast is the perfect mix of sweet, and it's browned well. The fruit is delicious. You guys, breakfast was absolutely delicious. I mean, phenomenal. Everything I had, especially the French toast, was so good. But the carnitas was also really good. But the French toast was like the best thing that I had, with the fruit and the mascarpone and the sauce. Like, I was skeptical at first because all that runny, I know I don't like no whole lot of runny stuff in my plate. Flashback to Carnival. Well, that was kind of a fail. But it was delicious. I loved it. I enjoyed it. And now we getting ready to go to Gateway Arch. So let's go. I'm here, guys. I am at the arch. I don't know if you can see it behind me. There it is. There is the arch. It's so sunny behind me though, so it's probably hard to see it. So let me just turn back this way. We're gonna walk over. I already purchased a ticket, you guys. My ticket was purchased online, so So I have like a I have like a e-ticket that I just have to go over here and scan, I believe. So I'm just gonna hang out here and get some pictures because my ticket time is not until 9:15 and it's only 8:36, so I have a lot of time. I'm just gonna hang out, get some pictures, check out the scenery, and just enjoy my time in St. Louis. Looks like they have some different things out here, like little ice cream stand. It's not open yet, but they have an ice cream stand, a lemonade stand, looks like a hot dog stand on the other side too, and another ice cream stand. But we're just gonna check out the scene. So I'm really glad they have these on the ground because I was obviously walking the wrong way. So you would think that you would walk toward the arch in order to get inside it, but apparently you don't. It looks like you walk over here, which is like kind of underneath it. You can't tell from here, but that's the arch. And it looks like maybe people are going down in there. So let's see. Y'all, it literally says arch entry here, and I ignored it. There are some visitor guidelines, if you were wondering. No smoking, there are bag restrictions, of course no weapons, no alcohol, no pets, and no mace. What if I need my mace? So guys, I'm in line and I was the second family here, and now look at the line. They aren't even open yet, and I just realized that the line stretches all the way back to where you very first come in. So I'm glad I got here early. This is neat. They have these big screen TV projections. So there's an arch store. Definitely got to go in there. A model arch. Pretty neat. And here's where I catch the North Tram.
Good, man.
Good. Thank you.
Head down your right.
All right.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to the top. My gosh, all right. We are at the top. Mississippi River. Let's see what's on this side. Oh wow, much better view over here. You can see Cardinal Stadium. The view from the top of the Gateway Arch, you guys. Just to show you how high up we are. This hotel, right? Let me see if I can point to it on here. right there, that hotel building right there with the little glass around the top, that's the hotel I'm staying in, and that is the rooftop bar up top where all that glass is. That's the 26th floor. So just look how much higher we are than that. This is very high up in the air. Very high up in the air. But the view of the city, oh my God. Just look at that. That's amazing. Guys, the time up here is really quick. As soon as they come back up with a tram, it's time to go. I didn't realize it would be that short of a visit. And you guys, the ride is over just that quick. I don't think we were up there longer than like 7 minutes at the most. And we are on our way back down to our car to head back down. So guys, if you didn't have tickets already, you could go over here and purchase tickets, it looks like. And they also have a riverboat tour that you can do. The riverboat tours don't start until 12 p.m. so I don't have the time to do that because I have to catch a flight. But if I were here longer, I would definitely do that because I really highly encourage riverboat tours. Let's go check out the shop, see what they got, because I am all for souvenirs. This is cool. Gateway Arch National Park. Is this a magnet? Yeah, this is a magnet. It's a pretty cool magnet. I want something that I can put on my shelf. They have little pieces of, oh, these earrings. That's neat. Gateway Arch earrings. They have baseball caps. Let's see, what time is it? 9:48. Okay, I don't have a whole lot of time, but we're gonna see what we can find. Oh my gosh, look at these books. Who was Rosa Parks? Who was George Washington Carver? Who was Sojourner Truth? These are so neat. It's all people in U.S. history. Like they have Mark Twain and Annie Oakley, but y'all know I'm excited anytime I see that they are highlighting some people of color as well. Y'all know I'll be looking for that because a lot of times you don't see it. We just gonna be honest. But today it's there. Oh my gosh, look at this. Sippy cups, frames. If I were here with the family, I would buy a frame, but I don't need a frame for a picture of me by myself. Actually, it could go in my office. It's 15. It's a keychain. Oh, this is like some kind of cool stuff too. Some syrups, and looks like some apple butter and honey. I really do need a water bottle. Oh, what's this? Because this can go on my desk or on my bookshelf. It's a Gateway Arch. They have like coffee cups as well, which is kind of neat too. I want a cup, but I don't want to spend $25 on a cup. Maybe I'm being cheap. Am I being cheap, y'all? Because I don't want to spend $25 on a cup? I don't think so. Got some long sleeve shirts, which I always need long sleeve shirts for work. 25. There's no price on this. I really want to see how much this is, but there's no price on it. Oh, there it is. $19.95. Okay. Oh, you know what? Ray likes socks. Maybe I'll buy Ray some socks. Thank you. Have a good one. So there's also a place where you can take photos outside the arch, but they're having some technical difficulties today, so no photos right now. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Which way did I come from? This way. Let's take a look through this little museum area, because it looks like there's some pretty cool stuff over here too. Scott Joplin, yes, for the culture. this is supposed to simulate how the elevator works. So as you turn that, you can see it climb. That's what the pod, I didn't record inside of that pod too much. That's exactly what it looks like on the inside. When you get inside of the little pod to go up the elevator, it's almost like a little capsule. See how tight it is? There's little model people sitting in there. And it seats up to 5. You imagine 5 people sitting inside that thing? Alright guys, that is it for our day here at the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri. We had a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me here today. And I just want to give you a little tip. If you are looking to come here, make sure you book a ticket in advance. Purchase a ticket in advance. It is 10:15. They just opened at 9 a.m. They are already sold out for the trams for the day to go up to the top of the arch. So don't count on being able to purchase a ticket same day. You can book it a few days in advance. I got mine like 2 days ago and didn't have a problem. But I will say when I tried to book one 2 days ago for tomorrow, I couldn't. They were sold out already. So maybe give it 3 or 4 days in advance. Anyway, I'm glad you enjoyed. I hope that you will hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. And until the next time, Team Reese, all